Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Locke channel, and I'm here to talk about a new actually it's one of the greatest upcoming crypto mining companies called BlockDAG new updates, guys. They have a new updates and they just launched the new keynote video. This one is the second one, and I also talked about this keynote video in the first video. If you haven't watched the first keynote video, you can directly watch it. It's under the second video here directly. If you haven't watched it, guys, you should definitely watch the videos, because this video is also including some specific information about the companies and the company's milestones. In the first video, we also talked about the roadmap and their achievements and what they were going to do in the future, and they're explaining some new developments, some achievements in the Keynote 2 video. I'm going to react to Keynote 2 video, but I'm not going to watch the whole video in this video, because I know that you can watch the video by yourself to fully understand. And this is why I'm going to open the transcript section, and I'm going to talk about some specific parts that I think it's important in the video. And before we start with the Keynote 2 video, guys, I also want to remind you something. You can buy the coins and you can buy the miners by clicking here. And of course, once you click there, you will go to directly to the new page, and you will see the sections, the launching sections. You have to follow the instructions. You need to bind your wallet address firstly, then you can follow the process, guys. So as you can see, the Keynote 2 videos is in front of us, and we will watch it and we will react what they did. By the way, they're also sharing some updates every Monday to Friday, and they're sharing in their website and the Twitter as well. And as I know, there are over 45 updates so far. So the company is really growing its popularity, and I see many people started to talk about this company. And even if I didn't make the video, you guys should asking me to make video about a project. So as I said, it's growing its popularity in the crypto industry, and investors really want to get to know about the ROI rates. It's including really high ROI, for example, the 850% price increasing already, guys. And I also want to say, in shortly, in the first keynote video, guys, they were talking about explaining the ecosystem, lightly touch upon some stuff. This was the first keynote video, guys, explain it. In this video, we will review the second keynote video, guys. So let's get started with the transcripts. This one is a more technical version, I think, compared to the original keynote. And the video is explaining how with this innovative BlockDAG is bringing this one of a kind blockchain to the reality. BlockDAG has unveiled the technology that brings this unique concept to life. So guys, as you can see, I opened the transcript and I will choose some specific important section. I think that it's really important. They're explaining everything about the company, and slowly, if you want to understand fully, you can watch the video by yourself. And I want to talk about some specific important part, I think. In this video, they're saying the BlockDAG aims to reshape the digital transformation with innovative technology and milestones, including the mainnet launch and ecosystem expansion, guys. And they're also saying that they're recognized by the Forbes and Bloomberg, and they're talking about it in this section, guys. As you can see, they're talking about the Forbes and Bloomberg here from the launch of our mainnet expansion, and talking about some milestones bring to the new point, the ecosystem, emphasizing the decentralized growth. They're aiming the decentralization as a crypto mining company. This is really good, and they have released over the 45 development updates, and you guys will be able to find all these updates in the latest existing news on the releases section in the official website. And as I said, they're also sharing these updates in their Twitter account as well, every Monday to Friday. So they're explaining BlockDAG in more detailed, and cyclic graph implementation is designed to handle concurrent operations efficiently and can optionally support percentage to disk. You can watch the video to understand this section, because they're helping you to understand with some pictures. So BlockDAG's implementation focuses on efficiency and scalability, we can say that. and it's gonna talk about the proof of work now. So 1 minute, guys. The proof of work is important, and they're saying that. And security, we have always promised it, unlike the traditional blockchain structures. The DAG-based proof of work consensus eliminates the need for minings by allowing the multiple transactions to be confirmed simultaneously, thus improving scalability by implementing a proof of work consensus mechanism with the directly directed cycle graph. And they ensure each transaction or event in the DAG requires validation through the proof of work when nodes complete the solve cryptographic puzzles in order to add new blocks. So proof of work consensus and mechanism integrated with the directed cyclic graph, guys. It's going to talk about some developments here and how the system works, guys. Development includes the features like a transaction issuance, conflict resolution, and consensus establishment. I also want to mention about low code and no code, and in this part they're introducing the low code and no code guys. They're saying that this will allow users to create and manage and deploy software applications, and sorry, I just missed it, by dragging and dropping the program components instead of writing the new lines, and of course building decentralization applications on the blockchains using the strategy introduced and integrating opportunity to simplify development within the complex ecosystem. So guys, we can say that in this introduction part of low code and no code for decentralized application development, they're talking about low code and no code development here, and simplifies the developments and involves the non-developers. And they're also saying in the video they have already made significant strides, currently raising $500,000 per day. Projections show that this number can go up to $5 million per day, with the pre-sale expected in the finish in the next 4 months before the mainnet launch. And this count is really great. And this remarkable achievement serves as a testament to the growing momentum behind the BlockDAG missions to reshape the future of blockchain technology in other existing news. And without giving any financial advice, I'm hoping that the things they're talking about in this video can change our life, because the crypto mining is really good advantages, and this crypto mining company is providing everything and serve everything to understand how the system works here. And even in this Keynote 2 videos, they're explaining everything in very detailed, and thank you for the company to prepare this video for us, because even just watching the video or just reading the text that I just provided you here, it's including everything about the new updates, and maybe you wondered about it. And I'm hoping that the company can go up, but as I said, I'm not giving you any final advice, and please do your own research. And testnet schedule in for mid-August or something, and seems like I'm gonna make a new update video in this summer about this testnet too. And they're also announcing that their exclusive partner will be the Plus wallet for the launch for ease of entry. They have increased their payment methods within the 10 payment methods, including the USDT, Ethereum, and BNB gas. So they're announcing their partnership with the Plus wallet here. They're talked about new raising updates, and they're expecting their pre-sale to finish within the next 4 months and some minutes launching updates, guys. And they also increasing their payment options, including USDT, Ethereum, and BNB. So far we just landed here, and we are coming towards the end of the video. I just wanted to talk about some important sections shortly. And they're saying that, like every great project, BlockDAG is supported by incredible people. In the next 3 months, we will be releasing the doxing video showcasing our 100% human. And I'm also so excited to receive this video too. I really wanted that. They're also going to launch a new showcasing video about their team in the next 3 months. So guys, if you ask me what do you think about the project, I'm expecting more than existing news in the future, and I'll be follow this project, and I will be leading. I mean, I will be announced the further process with you, with my community as well. I also like the presentation video. They're explaining everything very well, and we know everything about the new updates so far, guys. And if you guys ask me my predictions, I can make direct predictions, but I can say that I have hopes about this project going to be in a great point in the future as one of the best, greatest upcoming crypto mining companies. If you guys want to fully understand and more interested about the video, you can watch the video by yourself. It will take only the 10 minutes or something maximum, and they're explaining everything. I also suggesting you to watch the video and recognize the presentation too. So thank you for watching my video, guys. We're coming towards the end of the video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment section, and I will help you to answer. So thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Stay with BlockDAG and Crypto Locke.